What's up? This Cash. Cash got next. Coming from the hoods of St. Louis, Missouri, I always want to give back. And this my way of giving back, showing y'all how to cut hair. Yeah, I'm gonna show y'all how to razor. I'm gonna show y'all how to do them beards. Get that A1 crisp enhancement, line up, all that. Ball fades, shadow fades, temp fades, mohawks, we doing it all. Y'all wanna learn? Tune in. Hey y'all, make sure y'all comment, like, subscribe, and follow me. Cash got next _. And oh yeah, I'm a platinum producer as well. So you might catch me in the studio too. I got you next, baby. Let's go. What's up, cool kid Damari? I'm glad you could come in today. Just chill out, I got you, okay? Alright? Okay?
I'm not supposed to talk.
Welcome back to another episode. Appreciate y'all tuning in with your boy. Hey, my YouTube family. This is a special episode for me. Shout out to my son, Cool Kid Damari. Follow him on IG and YouTube. He got his own channel. His page is Cool Kid Damari 5. He doing big things, y'all. Y'all support my little homie, alright? See, Damari like the waves, so we keep it wave lit. So I put on my #1 blade and go with the grain with my detachable Andis. People keep on wondering why they call it a temp fade. Like, what's a temp fade? It's the temple. So you just fade out a little bit around the temple and in the back. Everything else is even. So I'm gonna just let my beat play while y'all check me out on how I fade up Cool Kid Damari. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Thank you.
Clay got all the bangers.
right, we done now. Make sure y'all follow my IG, cash.next_. So here's the before. Look at my boy. And here the after. Let's get it. That's a temp fade. One on the top, fade out on the temp, fade out on the back. Y'all see how my boy looking? Got them waves poking out a little bit. We about to get him all the way right. 2 slits in the eyebrow. You see I got him at a slant. That's how you do that. All right, like, subscribe, comment. Chill, we out. Cash got next.